Hello everyone. This video helps you install the ImoLaza smart controller quickly and easily. You'll be able to replace your old controller within 15 minutes. Before starting the installation process, ensure you have a fair Wi-Fi signal where you want to install the controller. And please gather all the necessary tools at hand. ImoLaza smart controller comes with all the necessary accessories including the controller, instructions, screw positions template, cable stickers, screws with drywall anchors, a small screwdriver and the power adapter. Note that the controller is not weatherproof, so if you want to install it outdoors, you'll need to buy our weather-resistant enclosure. Test all the sprinkler zones to make sure they are working as expected before taking down your old controller. Unplug the old controller. Take a look at the wiring and use our cable stickers to mark each wire. Then take a picture with your phone as a backup. Now unplug everything and remove the old controller. Use our screw positions template to help you locate the sprinkler controller position and the screw holes. Make sure the wires can reach the drill icon. Then use your phone as a leveling tool to make sure the bottom holes are leveled. Mark the center of the hole. Drill holes for the anchors. Then install the drywall anchors and gently tap them into place. Remove the top plate on your controller so that you can see the 3 mounting holes. Then use the screwdriver to install the controller on the wall. M is the master pump. If you have one, it may have been labeled as M, MV, P, or pump on your old controller. C terminals are all the same, so you can connect any of them. You are also able to connect up to 2 sensors to your controller using the S1, S2, and the C terminal to power the sensor. ImoLaza uses screw mount fittings to connect the wires. Simply loosen each fitting slightly, insert the zone wires, and then securely fasten them. Connect the zone wires according to the numeric labeling stickers. After connecting all the cables, you may refer to your old sprinkler photo to double-check the connections. If everything looks good, you're ready to power up. Now you can use the ImoLaza app to test whether all the zones are working. If you have installation questions, please reach out to our technical support team by scanning the QR code or emailing us. You can expect a response within 24 hours. Hope this video helps.